name is Sankat Sinha, and I am a full-time security researcher and penetration tester. Today, we are going to discuss about the topic AI vulnerability management tips and tools. So, as we all know, we are using traditional vulnerability management solutions deployed to our premises, which generally consumes a lot of time being on scanning, generating results, validating, removing false positive, and then generating the results. After the results get generated, human intervention is required, which again requires for the validation of the data to produce a clean output. This consumes a lot of time and resource, which can be used in a better way to reduce to automate this task and to make a better business decision. Now imagine an AI agentic solution being deployed to your premises. This can collect your data, run through large amount of data, validate it, interpret it, for remove false positives, and can produce a clean amount of data. This will greatly reduce the time and the human intervention required, which could be used for better critical decision making and to focus on what is really needed rather than the recursive time which can be given to an AI agent which can perform a large amount of recursive uh, tasks in the organization. Now, to achieve this, we will talk about the two tools named Garrick and Adversarial Robustness Toolbox, also known as ART. So, these tools are open source and they are used for AI application scanning. They can be easily deployed via your source solution or any other method available at the disposal. This can collect large number of data, run scans through a vast amount of data sets, validate the response, validate the output, generate the report, and remove false positive, hence reducing the attack surface and reducing the threat. Since they are agentic in nature, they can easily learn through experience, datasets, and the threats evaluated in the process. If they are agentic in nature, they are not limited to the threats provided by OWASP for AI. They can also go above and beyond and scan for the logical bugs and present at the report. Deploying these tools and automating them does not require a large amount of human intervention or the budget. It can be done with ease. If AI attacks can be prevented by following this approach, but training your employees and people training always remains an utmost important so that the attack surface can greatly be reduced and narrowed down. As you know, AI can build tools, craft malicious input, hence it is advisable to train your AI model with the right set of data. There are many types of data like biased, some with malicious input or malicious prompt being hidden. So attackers can leverage and gain gain leverage like remote code execution and exploit through the organization. So the model you build or select to train your AI will have an huge impact overall in business as well as the technical solutions that you will be implementing. There are many cases of AI behaving abnormally or misbehaving like Grok comment or DeepSeek comments which are biased to other countries. You can select datasets, model, and can train your application, LLM applications, which you can better deploy at the solution at the site on premises and can achieve a greater result with clean and better data and output being generated. Now, many organizations treat AI security as one-time task. It is not a one-time task. It is a recursive task in nature because AI threats or the AI vulnerabilities, technical vulnerabilities can be remediated. But focusing on business risk is also of vital importance. So I recommend organizations should also focus on business risk and attack surface of not only the technical vulnerabilities but also as a human as a platform. Now to conclude, so everyone should remember secure AI is a better AI. Thank you for your time and attention.